Hey guys, it's me, Lysa, today, and we'll be doing the unicorn squishy tag, which you probably have never heard of because I created it. So, let's just get on with the video. So the first question is, what is your prettiest squishy? So for this, I chose my Pastry Petite Heart. Strawberry Hearts Delight heart. And I got this today. If you watch my squishy package video, in general squishies. So, yeah, that's the first question. The next question is, what is your unicorn squishy? If you do not have one, what is your favorite squishy? So here is my unicorn squishy. So yeah, that's the next question. Then the next question is, what do you think a unicorn, what squishy foods do you think a unicorn would eat? Choose 3 or more squishies. And the squishies that I chose was this fake Lila Kuma toast, or bread, whatever. And then this Hebrew steam bun, because it's pink and like it has a pearlescent shine to it. Also got this in the mail today. Okay, just go watch the video. Yeah. Then I chose this Hello Kitty donut. Here's the tag, and here is your sensor. This mini macaron. Okay. Then this chocolate whipped cream. And lastly, this cake. The next question is, what do you think a unicorn's friends would be? Choose 3 or more squishies. So I chose this Ghost, Sweetie Ghost, Halloween squishy. This pink dolphin. I was like, I would pick Millie the whale, but I don't have her. So like unicorn. This owl, hopping owl, which is not normal. So, oh. And then this rainbow, of course, because girl, get it? Yes. Then lastly, this bunny. Her name's Tallulah. Here's the tag. Here's the licensing. It's right here. And then the last question is, what is your unicorn's color or your favorite squishy's color? So the squishies that I have here are the unicorn's color. So here is almost all the unicorn's colors. Alright, you can do, but you have to use 3 more squishies. So for this too, so I chose this ice cream. This. Wait, hold on. Here's this ice cream, and this represents the green, the yellow, the pink, and yeah. And this also represents the pink, and also represents the red. Okay. And then I had to fill in for purple. So this blue panda bun represents the purple. And it does have a gentleman squishy tag. She just gave me this for an extra. And also this as an extra. She also gave me this as an extra. So, for the purple. Then for the yellow, I used this bear bun. And for the green, I used guys enjoyed this video, and for this, and I will tag people in the like the description. I didn't know you're supposed to tag more than one person, so please don't get mad at me. And bye, guys.